Hi guys, today we are at Fruitvale Road level crossing. So we've got a lot of equipment here, as you can see. I don't know when this crossing is going to activate because I have no data to check. So this is a pretty nice crossing. Oh my god, no pedestrian system. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights. 1, 2 sets of Western Cullen Hayes e-bells and 1, 2 sets of Western Cullen Hayes barriers. You can see it right here as well. And I heard the PA system, so there's gonna be a train shortly. I can hear the train, I think. So yeah, we just took a look at the other side. Oh, I can hear it. I can see the train. I get to record the crossing activate like properly. But I think it's gonna stop and then the crossing is going to activate. And we get a really good view. Can you see the train? Oh. LED lights. Lights for the pedestrians. It's moving. Train speeding up. Amazing. There's one reason I don't like this crossing, and that's the fact that it has no pedestrian gates. It's just common sense to look for trains across the crossing. My bad, let me just cross the road quickly. That is actually false information. There is a push to press button on the other side, but for some reason it's not on that side. I'm assuming they haven't built it yet, but you can't press it. Oh, I can hear the PA system. There might be another train, but yeah, you can't open these gates. Oh, it's active. That PA system never lies. I think the bell might be slower on this side. I'm not sure. You can see it. Surprising, it's going this fast. I think it might be an express. Oh, never mind, it's stopping, I think. Yep, it's stopping. Yeah, that's not an express. Amazing video, but these two sides are the only ones with the pedestrian gates, but that side doesn't.